our lesson name is our country. Where our country is located in world, in the world?
In south side, sir.
In which continent?
Asia, sir.
Yes, in Asia, our India is located. Very good. So these are the continents. We are having, how many continents we are having?
7, sir.
Do you know the names of those?
Yes, sir.
Tell the continent names. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents are there on the Earth surface. Okay, very good. So Asia is one of the continent. So India is located in the continent of Asia. First of all, you have to understand this is the Asia.
Okay, sir.
In Asia, number of countries are there: Russia, China, Mongolia, okay, Pakistan, Afghanistan. These are the Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are all are the neighboring countries to us, to India. What are the neighboring countries to India? China. You can hear. This is India. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is China, neighboring country. Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. In Asia, another more countries are there. Nearly 50 countries: Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, okay, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Jordan, Turkey, this side Indonesia, Philippines, okay, Singapore, Japan, North Korea, South Korea. So these are all of the countries of Asian continent. Clear?
Okay, sir. China side, sir. Singapore.
Yes. This side, downwards. Okay. Taiwan, near, it is Taiwan, very near to the China.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then in Asia, India is the largest country in area wise.
Okay, sir.
Third largest. So first one is Russia. Second one is the China, largest country in Asia, and India is the third largest country in Asia area wise. Okay. In the world, the India is the 7th largest country in the area wise. 7th. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In Asia wise, 3rd largest country. In the world wise, 7th largest country. And population wise, India is the 2nd largest country in the world. Which is the 1st largest country in the world area, population wise?
Russia.
No. Then what I am asking, population, not in area. In population, China is the 1st largest in population. 2nd largest in population in the world is India. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here the China is the 1st largest in population, and India is the 2nd largest in population. Now India population is 135 crores. 135 crores. The China population is nearly 150 crores. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, the length from here to here, the length of the India, 3,200 kilometers from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. From where to where? From
Kanyakumari.
From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the length is, this is Kashmir, bottom is north side is the Kashmir, bottom side is the south side is the Kanyakumari. From here to here, the length is north to south 3,200 kilometers. This is north, you know already. This is south, bottom side is the south, left side is the west, right side is the east. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will show you. Yeah. This is north side. This side is south side. This is west. This is east. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From year to year, north to south. How much distance? 3,200 kilometers. From west to east, Gujarat to this last one, west to east, how much kilometers? 2,900 kilometers. In your textbook given 3,200 and 2,900 kilometers width from west to east. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now India is divided into 29 states. How many states are there in India?
29 states.
29 states. Okay, good. Just wait. So this is a political map of India. Political map means the political map explain about the places, states, okay,
Okay, sir.
districts, villages and towns of the country or continent. Country or continent. So this is political map of India. How many states are there? 29 states are there in India and another 7 union territories. So Goa, okay, like that. Some union territory. Union territory means the place which is ruled by the central government.
Okay, sir.
States means the place which is ruled by the state government. That is called state government. Okay, states. Here some areas like Goa, Yanam in Andhra Pradesh, okay, Delhi,
Okay,
Delhi, and some other parts are Dayu Daman, okay, as Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Deeps. So those are ruled by central government. Those are called union territories. Union means central government. Union means central. So those 7 union territories are there, means those 7 places were ruled by central government. So which is our capital city?
Capital city.
India capital city. Hyderabad is the Telangana capital city. So what is the India's capital city? Capital city of India. Delhi. So you can see here, the small dot is a Delhi. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one. So the Delhi is the capital city of India. So in India, we have different land masses. Different land mass means the India's land is not even, not same, not plain. It is having mountains, large plains, plateaus, coastal areas, coastal plains, and deserts. Do you know one desert is there in India?
Yes, sir.
Tell the name of the desert. Thar Desert. Tell the name. Thar. Where it is?
Okay.
Where it is located? In which state it is there? Thar Desert. In Rajasthan. It is located in Rajasthan. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, like that, India's land mass is having different shapes. Mountains are there, plains are there. Mountain means which is called a mountain? The height one, height hill. Highest place is called the mountain. Already you know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, plateaus also highest places, but they are having a flat surface on the height place. So it like this. This is a mountain. This is a mountain. It is having a height and steep slope. Steep slope. Okay.
Okay, sir.
On the top of the hills, there is no flat area. If you reach the top of the hills, we can find very small flat area. That is called mountains. Plateaus means this is also height place. Like this, you can see. This is also height place. Okay.
Sure.
Like this, but slope is not, we don't have more slope, gentle slopes we can find. And in the top of the hills, we can find the flat area. So those are called plateaus. Okay. And coastal plains, coastal area means the land beside the oceans. So here you can see here, this is Arabian Ocean. This is Bay of Bengal Ocean. Beside Arabian Ocean, different places are there. Different states are there. This is called coastal area. The place which is located beside the ocean is called the coastal area. This is western coastal area, west side of the India. It is called the western coastal area. East side also we are having coastal area from West Bengal to West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Up to here we are having coastal area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called Eastern Coastal Plains or Eastern Coastal Area. East side. This is east. Right side is the east side. That's why those are called Eastern Coastal Plains, and west side is called Western Coastal Plains. First of all, what you have to understand, coastal area means the place which lies beside the ocean. The land which is located beside the ocean is called the coastal area. Okay. Coastal plains means the area between coastal Ghats, Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. That is called coastal plains. We will discuss later about those. Okay? Very good.
Sir.
Next, location of the India, where it is located. So it is located in northern hemisphere. It is located in northern hemisphere. Next, Mountains, already we have discussed different land masses are there. Mountains, large plains, plateaus, coastal plains, and deserts. Okay, so let us discuss where is the northern mountains. Mountains in the north side. Which mountains are there in the Kashmir, near Kashmir? Where are the Himalayas?
Himalaya.
North side only. North side of our country. Himalayas are there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The northern mountains are Himalayas. So, consist of two mountain ranges in the north side. One is Himalayas. Another one is Karakoram. Karakoram. Two types of mountain ranges are there in the north side. One is Karakoram, second one is Himalayas. So, this Karakoram mountains are this side. Northwest side of the Himalayas. You can see here. Here you can see here Karakoram mountains are located this side. Okay. Next, Himalayas. Where are the Himalayas? Himalayas from Kashmir to almost Bihar and another places like this. Himalayas stretches like this. Okay. So these are called Himalayas. This is Karakoram. So Himalayam means Himamu. Himamu means ice. In Sanskrit, Himamu means ice. So these Himalayas covered with snow. Home. That's why it is called Himalaya. Himalaya means home of snow. Okay. Yes, Nana. Srishant? Srishant?